Okay, so student, this is your science class. This is your science class. Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay. So, student, previous day I have completed. Previous day I have completed periscope and multiple images and image formation by the plane mirror. So, two topics are to be left, that is one eye, human eye, and another is kaleidoscope. So, these things are left. So, I will discuss the kaleidoscope in the next class, and then I will go for the human eye discussion. Okay. So, today I am going to discuss some question. Okay, first question, I think you will be able to give the answer. Write down your answer in the chat box. That question, first question is suppose you are in the dark room, can you see object in the room? And second question, can you see the object outside the room? Explain it. Okay, explain it briefly. You can explain in the chat box. Okay, explain it in the chat box. If you, so I am again read the question, that suppose you are in the dark room, can you see the object in the room? And second question, can you see the object outside the room? Explain it. So, first answer, okay, I will, no sir, unless light is room we cannot see inside the room. Okay, just I am writing the answer. If you want to note down, that answer, you can it. Okay, so answer it. That is, if we are in dark room, student, can you see the board? Can you see the board, this portion? Can you see the board? Write it down quickly. Okay, if you are in the dark room, it is not possible for you to see objects in the room. Okay. However, you can see the object. You can see the objects outside the room. Outside the room. Okay, so you will be able to see the object outside the room, what are in the outside, but in the dark room, the objects which are in the room, that is not possible for you to see, because the answer explanation is that portion. That is, what is the reason? What is the reason? An object is visible. An object is visible. An object is visible when light reaches our eye. When light reaches our eye, reaches our eye after being reflected, after being reflected, after being reflected from the object, from the object, okay, after being object, if there is no light, if there is no light, if there is no light in the room, okay, I am trying, wait, light in the room, then object inside the room cannot reflect, then object inside the room, object inside the room cannot reflect. Okay, object in the room cannot reflect. That is the answer. That is the explanation, that an object is visible when light reaches our eye after being reflected from the objects. If there is no light in the room, then object inside cannot reflect. Okay, so your problem is board is easy. So I am trying to solve that problem. Just wait 1 minute. Now it is clear, students? Now it is clear. Now it is clear. Which one? Okay. Is the answer, sir, when what is thing that you have written before? This is this the answer, sir? Then what is the thing you have written before? Which one? Which line? Which line, Sneha? Tell me quickly. Okay. So I am saying that you have written something before writing this one. Okay, okay, that is the first portion. That is the first, it can be seen or not, and it is the explanation. Again I am written, an object is visible when light reaches our eye after being reflected from the objects. If there is no light then in the room, then the object inside cannot reflect. That is the answer. And first one, now you can see the board. Okay. Next question. Next question. Sir, you can say once the third thing. Yes, that thing is that if we are in the dark room, then it is not possible for us see the objects in the room. However, objects outside the room are visible to us. that have been written. That have been written. Okay. Now moving on the next question. Moving on the next question, that is, okay, one thing students, differentiate between regular and diffuse reflection. That question I have already discussed. So now I have discussed that question, that difference between regular and diffuse reflection. Have discussed it or not in the class? Tell me quickly. Okay. And next question, diffuse reflection mean the diffuse reflection failure of the laws of reflection. Diffuse reflection fails the, it means the diffuse reflection do not satisfy the laws of reflection. So first of all, I am going to answer it. Okay. First of all, the two laws of reflection, two laws of first law, laws of reflection. I am again repeating the laws of reflection, laws of reflection. First of all, incident angle and reflected angle are equal. And second one, first law, and second law, incidence ray, reflected ray, incidence ray, reflected ray, and the normal all lie in a same plane, all lie on a or lie in on a same plane. Okay, these are the two laws. Incident ray, yes Chandranath, incident ray, reflected and normal lie on the same plane. Okay, same plane, lie on a same plane. So first law, incident angle and reflected angle are equal, and second one, incident ray, reflected ray and the normal all lie on a same plane. Okay, that is the two laws of reflection. Now question is that diffuse reflection satisfies this law or not. First of all, that is the plane mirror or any surface. In case of regular reflection, incident ray are parallel, reflected ray are parallel, and these are the normal. Okay. Sir, yes sir, diffuse reflection follows the law. Yes, diffuse reflection follows the law of reflection. So that is incident angle and reflected angle. These two are same. In case of that is incident angle, that is reflected angle. That is equal, and incident ray, reflected ray and the normal, they are also lie on a same plane. That is for the regular reflection. Now what will happen in case of diffuse reflection? What will happen in case of diffuse reflection? In case of diffuse reflection, that is okay. So these are the incident ray, 1, 2, 3. These are the parallel. These are parallel. but reflected ray, that one, and that one, these are not parallel to each other. Reflected rays are not parallel to each other. This type of reflections are called diffuse reflection. Now, what we learn? First of all, first law, if I consider this incident angle, so draw a normal with the, since these two angle will be equal. Okay. In case of this one, it is normal, that is almost, it is going to okay. So that angle also be equal. So reason is that in diffuse reflection, incident ray and reflected ray and the normal lie in a same plane, and angle of incidence equal and angle of reflection both are same. Okay. The next question, okay, you can write it because that video will be uploaded. You can write it in the later from the YouTube. Okay. Next question, some surface are given. Question number 3. Some surface are given, you have to mention if light falls on it or strike on it, after that it will reflect, that reflection will be regular reflection or diffuse reflection. First things, that is polished wooden table. Okay, so answer is regular. Very good. Regular. Polished wooden table, Chandranath answer regular. Naina regular. Annesa, Sneha, very good. So in the polished wooden table, that reflection will be polished wooden table, that reflection will be regular. Okay. Regular reflection. Okay. Next. Very good, Rosni, very good, Siva is answering, very good, Siva. Next, chalk powder. Chalk powder, that is diffused reflection, very good. Chandranath answer first, diffused reflection. Okay, very good, diffuse, Surajit. And one thing, students, I have uploaded and practice work in your e-portal. Have you solved it? Have you submitted? Have you submitted? Okay. Submit it quickly, because I think at the evening, that time I will upload another homework. Okay, next question, the chalk powder, that is diffuse. Next, that cardboard surface. That is cardboard surface reflection. What will happen? Cardboard regular reflection. Chandranath, cardboard surface, I think not. I think that is diffuse reflection. Okay, that is diffuse reflection, not polished cardboard. Okay, that is not polished cardboard, only cardboard surface, that is diffuse reflection. Okay. Diffuse reflection. Okay. Next, D, marble with water surface, marble with water spread. Marble with water spread. Marble with, that is regular, yes, that is the plane surface, smooth surface, the water surface, smooth surface, so that is regular. Okay, regular reflection. Next, E, mirror. Mirror, obviously you know I will not answer, you will answer it. Okay, you will answer it. And question number, that piece of paper. Piece of paper. What will happen in the what type of reflection? Yes, that is diffuse reflection. That is diffuse reflection. Okay. So, students, in this class I have discussed the 4 questions. I think in the next class I will again discuss the content, that is kaleidoscope. Next class kaleidoscope, then human eye. After that again I will come into the question answer part. Okay, students. Okay. Have you enjoyed this session or not? That it is boring? Naina, Trijit, Rosni, it is boring. Physics class is going on. Okay, okay, students.